Hey dear singers, speakers, and awakened leaders, welcome to the introduction of the 21-day Rising Voice course, an online guided journey to liberate your speaking or singing voice, reconnect to the simple, playful, and natural way of expressing your authentic voice. In this vocal course, you will receive simple yet effective step-by-step vocal instructions by an experienced voice coach to learn how to sing with relaxation, have access to a wider vocal range, to enjoy the sound of your own voice so that you can ultimately sing your favorite songs or speak your message with confidence and clarity. You have access to 2 chapters within this course. 13 days of pure vocal practices, 1 practice for each day of approximately 20 minutes, plus another 8 practices dedicated to ascended masters with light language, guided visualizations, and vocalizing techniques of around 40 minutes each. You also get access to the daily warm-up audio, which you can use every day, and the PDF file for journaling during your journey. There is 1 bonus practice for you included, plus my new ebook about the power of your voice. If your dream has been to develop your voice, but you feel that you couldn't possibly fit voice training into your busy schedule, this course is for you. This course is not just your common singing class. It's a transformational journey. It's not about becoming a perfect singer, a perfect performer. It is about enhancing your divine power, seeing your divine purpose, enriching your talents. It's all about unleashing your raw, natural capacity to celebrate all colors of life through your unique and authentic expression, while tapping into the intuitive and mystical realms of your connection to Source through sound. It's about unlocking your life force, unleashing your creative expression, and unraveling your intuitive intelligence. I look forward to welcoming you to this course and receiving your social media tags from your live practices or vocal inspirations, reflections that you may want to share with the rest of the community, visuals or messages from your journeys, or anything you may want to share with this community of rising voices from around the world. My name is Marlia, and this is my Rising Voice.